respect, and wisdom. The household of the prophethood were not governed through domination or harshness, but through compassion, understanding, dialogue, and moral excellence. Allah the Almighty says in the Holy Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة. Surah Al-Rum, verse 21. And among these signs is that He created from spouses from among yourself, that you may find tranquility in them, and He placed between you affection and mercy. And the Prophet ﷺ also said, خيركم لأهلي وأنا خيركم لأهلي. The best among you are those who are best to their families, and I am the best among you to my family. The profound lesson derived from this prophetic guidance is that the strength of society does not begin merely within major institution or political systems. Rather, it begins with the home, through the language of mercy, sound upbringing, ethical responsibility, and meaningful human connection. And yet, despite this timeless principle, contemporary societies face serious challenges, including the weakening of family relationships, the erosion of communication between parents and children, and the growing influence of the digital sphere upon values and human behavior. Therefore, one of the most urgent responsibilities before us today is to revive faith-centered upbringing, strengthen meaningful family dialogue, and expand educational and counseling programs dedicated to marital and family development within universities, mosques, and civil society institutions. It is indeed mentioned by our Prof. Dr. Aslam Dasman. The second thing, family stability and social cohesion in light of contemporary academic research. Recent academic studies conducted within International Islamic University, Malaysia, revealed and demonstrated a strong correlation between the psychological and moral being of young people and the presence of cohesive family structures rooted in religious and ethical values. This research, in fact, conducted during COVID-19 pandemic. This study further indicates that families which maintain constructive communication, spiritual engagement, and value-oriented upbringing are significantly less vulnerable to social deviance, psychological instability, and violent behavioral tendencies. This confirms that the family is not merely an emotional or private matter, rather it is fundamentally linked to social security, national stability, and civilizational development. Among the latest contemporary challenges confronting families today are rapid cultural transformations, the gradual erosion of moral identity among segments of youth, and the increasing influence of globalized model that weaken traditional value system. Accordingly, universities and research centers bear a profound responsibility to intensify scholarly studies related to family values and identity, and to translate academic knowledge into impactful societal societal initiative and educational program capable of addressing contemporary realities. Distinguished participants, the third theme, the Charter of Makkah and the role of international institutions in protecting the family. The Charter of Makkah, issued under auspices of Muslim World League, C 2019, represents a landmark contribution toward promoting moderation, coexistence, mutual respect, and shared human responsibility. The Charter calls for strengthening moral values, safeguarding human dignity, and confronting extremism and social fragmentation. Numerous reports issued by international institutions and